gone in 1 minute. Pull up in the supercar, this joint limited edition. Try to tell you ahead of time, I wish you would have listened. I just hope the bro don't miss it. I can't lie, someone that pissed me off. I'm back up on that shit. He keep them niggas ball like that, it's long. He going in and scared. I know niggas bad, but they won't get the ball. I got bad bitches, supermodels, I don't need the ball. All the youngest will be
better. There you go. Yeah, see it, man. You probably better see it on camera, because every time I look on here, this motherfucker is right here always be still so dirty. I gotta do something with that. But see on this side too, still dirty. But yeah, man. I ain't gonna lie, I took this bitch through the car wash, niggas staring at them motherfucker. But I'm finna head back, man. I'm gonna try to get y'all some. Oh my god, y'all probably can't even see me. But yeah, I'm gonna get y'all some pools. I'm gonna try to, if it's a good place. You know, it's traffic right now and all that. Turn this music down. It's traffic and all that right now. But yeah, man. Drop a like and comment, share, subscribe. Feel me? We about to go to this little Cars and Coffee Saturday. Hopefully, yeah, everything should go right. I'm gonna definitely slide there. That's a video right there. Gotta grind, man. Gotta get to it, man. No cap.
Hey, man.
Joe shit, man.
It's a few cosmetic things, you feel me?
Hey.
You need the headlights, you need the turbos, but hey, you feel me?
That nigga shit. He said he dusting this, bro. He said he dusting this, bro.
Bitch fly all out!
He said he dusted that. Hey, he dusted that? Is he dusting this?
Yeah, I got
Oh! No way!
He was walking the Tune Red Eye, bro. Walking.
What y'all do, like a row?
Yeah, 60 roll.
60 row too?
Yeah, 60. I ain't gonna lie.
When you do a 60 row, right? You can downshift, right?
You can downshift to third. You can downshift third gear and expect that bitch.
I like downshifting to 5.
Oh, but like I can't do digs in that car. Like I
At all?
cannot do a dig. Like,
That's real wheel?
Yeah, like it's not even because of that. I build boost at 4,000 RPM, so I can't get to 4,000 until like 2-3 seconds. Like
damn.
What was saying, bro? Touch the red key, you getting the red key, man.
No.
Oh my god.
He said
Bro,
that
this
nigga.
was so crazy in person.
Man. Charlie too?
Like red guts. Good.
Oh my gosh. Red calibers. Tell him, man, when your shit ready, it's over, man.
My shit gonna be ready in a few days, man.
I'm sick as hell. They just made that little thing where like you can't modify your exhaust or some shit. They just made it. Yeah. Man, I don't give a fuck.
Hey, they gonna have to catch me.
My nigga Joe got the race car fucking seat belts. This motherfucker finna get right. We definitely gonna do it.
Hey,
I got a video plan for us, bro.
Huh.
We gonna switch whips. I'm gonna have you drive the cat.
Alright, bet.
I'm gonna drive it. We gonna do it?
We can do
it's
it.
It's on the fly. Ah. Hey, we gotta do that too.
Man.
When you're 300,
we gotta do that too.
switch whips.
Hey, first video though gotta be a race.
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. I gotta see what your shit like I gotta see what you talking about, man.
I ain't gonna lie. You might not even focus like the drivability of this shit.
It's what, like
It's terrible. Like it's lower. That shit, like every little bump, you feel that bitch.
shit?
You feel that bitch for real. Like your shit probably be hopping over that shit.
This a 340?
335.
335. They don't say it on the back? Huh? Oh, he did. Oh shit. Wait, what was? Oh, never mind. I'm tripping. That might be lights. Oh shit. Oh shit.
You see the turbos and everything. But my shit not even bolted up. None of that shit. My shit looking crazy right now.
Damn. What the fuck is this right here?
Those are my coil packs. This just the coil. It's an upgraded coil pack. So I don't misfire.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Y'all see it, man. Before and after the build, man. This is the before. This motherfucker. That's hard. Damn! Hey, do that bitch one more time.
What's that?
Hey, do it one more time. Filling up the cat right now. This bitch gonna say 50.
Enjoying the sunshine.
Oh yeah. Oh no, this one damn near just the same, bro. I swear.
Same as the leg maker?
They sound. It's a red. It look like a red eye intake.
Oh, red eye intake. Oh shit.
That's how the new one was coming. What year is this?
21.
Yeah. That bitch
21. Shit. I ain't never hear my shit from like.
Bro, this bitch look brand new.
I got it with 26K miles.
To make this bitch 1,000 wheel.
Nigga, what?
1,000 wheel horsepower.
Damn, I just heard that nigga shit start.
Yeah, that nigga shit loud as fuck.
Whoa, why the wine sound so sexy?
Why this fuck? I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah. Lunch?
It's going to, yeah.
Nah, it's okay.
Don't do a full one. Just hit it.
Nah.
When it gets like this nigga AJ better not smack me. hey, don't face that wheel this way. Face it that way. No, AJ. Oh no. Oh no, AJ. No, AJ. Burn them bitches up. Oh, please let me show you how to tweak this. I got you. Hold on. You learn. That nigga heat them bitches up. Okay, you did that, bitch. You did that, bitch. Yeah.
Alright, man, we can do the other shit. I just had to try that bitch. I ain't never tried it.
Do exactly that, but I'm gonna hold the blunt up. I'm gonna hold the blunt.
Oh, man. Okay,
I'm like, oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got him right. Yeah, back up. Let me see what it is. Big boy cat. Big boy cat. Man, them bitches ain't burning shit. This nigga checking his tire. That baby ass burnout. hey, like if you do like 15 more of those, then you'll be bald. Like if you just keep doing that shit, you gonna be bald.
No, I want to make sure my shit's still straight for the road. I feel like I'm be good.
Hell yeah.
I gotta. You got me, man. You got me, bro. Yeah, I got it. Hey, I'm letting you. It's my first time letting somebody slide my shit. He said, "Rev it."
I bet.
It's loud.
What time is it?
It's 10:50.
Huh?
10:50. About to be 11.
Oh yeah, fuck that.
Is that loud?
Yeah, nah, I'm just
Alright, YouTube. It is another day. It's Saturday morning. It's 8:50. We about to head out to that Cars and Coffee, see what it's looking like, man. Feel me? We finna see what that shit looking like. Let me get y'all a little bit of. I'm gonna try to get y'all some pulls or like just to hear that wine this morning. I think y'all need to hear a whine this morning. Y'all need to hear that whine this morning. Ain't too much, just a little traffic, but yeah, we finna slide to that Cars and Coffee. Finna link up with Joe and Aaron right now, and we finna get it cracking. Oh yeah, Mo coming too, so finna be a good little vlog. First car meet though, for real. That's what's probably finna be the title or something. First ever car meet in my Hellcat, or just first ever car meet in general, for real, no cap. But yeah, man, drop a like, comment, share, subscribe. I ain't gonna lie, I be doing kind of multiple days because I don't be vlogging too much in a day, so I just put them together, make them long, make them a little long video or something like that. Oh, I need more brightness. But yeah, man, so y'all can see, man, my nigga done pulled up and that 300 bitch. That 300 bitch. Nigga, this ain't no regular, nigga.
It's a little pre-release, you feel me? I ain't even post this big deal, man.
No, for real. No, for real. Let's see, I think my shit filled all the way up. I put 50 in that bitch. There we go. That's where y'all gonna be at if you get a Hellcat, man. That motherfucker crazy. There we go, y'all. That motherfucker loud.
Y'all understand it's gonna be a hot day today?
Mid muffler, that's it?
That's it.
What? That's crazy. You said what?
We're in tech fits and shit.
Hell yeah.
It's gonna be hot.
Chill shit. Cool little breeze right now. Gang out.
Good, man. Not yet. It's the morning.
Yeah, it is probably a little later.
Feel me? But hey, man, we in the Hellcat SRTs. You can pull up on me, like.
Let me look up Forest Garage. This sound crazy, nigga.
Red key, red key.
You see his focus on him? Yeah. Red key, nigga. Come on, what are they?
Hey, Joe, say what's up.
What's up, man?
You feel me?
I thought Joe was
Go to
driving.
this car meet, man. Gonna turn up.
Yup.
Gotta get a little race in.
You feel me? Yeah, nigga.
I thought Joe was driving.
I don't know.
I gotta beat you today.
Yeah, that ain't happening. Yeah, you ain't beating slow.
Wow, we gonna see what?
Hey, man, they got collabs on the way.
Oh yeah.
Slow XYVNG,
Oh yeah.
AMG shit.
Hey, we don't gotta do it now, but on the way back we gotta do that one shit where we just whine, like we copy each other whines.
Oh, yeah,
I'm put it on me, I'm put it on you.
Tight shit.
Like, oh yeah, we can do it like this.
Tight shit. I don't know what y'all talking
We
about.
should do it with like a car in front. Record them up.
Yeah.
Type shit, type shit, type shit. God. This how I get out here, man. That soon, man. It's a slow process.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get that this month. The mid muffler, I'm gonna get that this month.
How much
so
is that?
My shit gonna be loud. It's like one something.
Oh, that's not bad.
Cut that bitch off.
Feel me? Like it's all investments, man. Y'all think this nigga playing? Y'all think he bought this to show? No.
Oh, what?
This
shit all content, nigga.
Feel me?
We up early, nigga. All of us.
What time is it right now?
We will go back like 7:30, but it's 9:11.
9:11, but we've been up since 7 though. You feel me?
Man, 15 minutes
Top
away.
in the morning too, you nigga.
Crazy. I'm gonna get him on your side.
Red key, red key. Shit. I don't know, these niggas scared of y'all niggas. These are professional drivers. You would never see me driving none of these cars. Ever. Let that nigga in the dust.
Damn, know his shit loud. Like I'm gonna get my shit loud, bro. Like
Yeah. Nah, I like the sound. I like the sound.
Yeah, see.
They chilling right now. Let them get off. Crazy like this. I don't drive like this, man. These are hooligans.
What the fuck? Is he trumping? Oh, that shit over.
My Nike's out, you feel me? You know what I mean? Got the boo-hoo man, you know?
Boo-hoo man,
You know what I
yeah.
mean? Boo-hoo man, you know? Hey, man. Vlogs on the way, man. YouTube on the way. We on the come up, bro. We ain't even gonna say too much. We just gonna drop. Every time, we just don't drop. You feel me? We not finna do none of that talking, man.
I'm gonna get on him so he can be
Feel me?
consistent, man.
We got vlogs on the way, bro. On God.
Hella shit playing. What?
Oh yeah. Damn. See, look, man. That's how we see. Look, we got invited to the party because we got a whip. You feel me? You don't just come to parties if you ain't got that bitch for real.
For real.
You feel me? But no, we finna have a good time. I hope they don't ask me no car questions because I don't know shit. Shit, dude. I ain't gonna lie. Kids finna have a good time, bro. Car, I damn near should brought Lasani.
Damn, you see that vet that just put up?
Yeah, I know. I should have brought Lasani Infinity at this point.
Bro.
I really should have. You already know what time it is, man. We got a demon right there. You mind if I record?
No, go ahead.
Okay, yeah. Oh my God. This car is beautiful.
Oh, I thought the engine was right there. Engine in the back.
Yeah. This ain't nothing but regular stuff.
I forgot the truck.
You feel me?
Y'all see that, man? Z06, man.
How you feel about this,
You
AJ?
see the carbon fiber?
I don't know shit, but yeah, I feel you.
It's open.
With it, he takes it out, so whatever. It's his, and he just.
I know this. So this is a red eye intake.
Yeah, that's a red eye fire.
Damn,
Look,
red
the red
eye.
eye look like that too.
So he got slicks all around. I don't know what that is. But
Don't say
see, man, I'm gonna be more educated on cars, man. But this shit look expensive. No cap.
I mean, I got one.
How much? Dang shit.
shit, you know, I just pull out.
Feel me? Like, we ain't gonna do all that shit.
Let's go over here. I see, man. I gotta make sure I get that done.
I told you it was hot today.
Look at
This
the old
color,
school. Yeah, this color tough.
this is the color I'm trying to run my video.
Bro, that'd be.
I like brighter. I need that shit bright. Like,
Let me turn down this. What's this right here? A Stingray? Oh yeah, I seen that right there. On the top. Yeah, what's
this
this?
right here, it's that shit.
What's this?
It's a Viper.
Oh shit. What car brand though? Oh, Dodge?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
You never heard of a Viper?
I have, but I didn't know it's by Dodge. Damn. What vet is? Oh, these both Stingrays. This is a nice red. Red off the blue.
But I don't know why. Every time I see a C8, it just reminds me of Miami. Like,
Hey, dude, every time I see it,
yeah, bro. Them shit remind me of Miami.
I ain't gonna lie. Out of all the cars out here, I wouldn't try that, bruh. The fucking
Hey, you see this right here?
GT500. This? What is this? This is Chevy?
No, it's a 5.0, but it's supercharged.
5.0, but supercharged.
It's a regular 5.0, but it's supercharged. The Shelby, it comes supercharged from the factory. This, he added on
That's
top.
the car that Baby Moment had, right?
No, that's the one.
GT500, man. GT500. Let us know, man.
Man, I don't know too much, but I see a supercharger, so it's a bit supercharged. And shit, you feel me? That's all I know.
I just seen a video of one of these, I think.
It's like a TRX.
Damn. Oh, we got people looking at the cats. People looking at the cats right now. Ah! Niggas looking at the cat, okay. Yeah. The cat got some eyes on it.
Bro, I think we the only ones with Hellcats here.
Bro, damn near. That's what I was saying.
My question is, do people really like Hellcats for real?
Hell yeah. It's just certain cars.
But like when you, oh my god, like all these older they don't like Hellcats.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I ain't gonna lie. I feel like,
Yeah, because I can tell.
Like
when they see Hellcat, they just think of a nigga. I swear.
Cause I ain't gonna. It's like everybody took like niggas took that bitch over type shit.
Yeah, like
they didn't want that.
When we pulled up, they're probably like, oh, you know the fuck nigga, that's the boss 305.
Damn, this hard right here. Oh, that's a manual. 1,000 horsepower factory.
From the factory.
This a Rari, bro. Damn. This electric.
It's both. Electric and gas.
This
For like little baby.
Rari, bro. Rari. Tough. They got that Shelby open, man. I ain't gonna lie, I really like how this bitch sit. Like,
They do sit.
this bitch look mean. Like, if you see this bitch behind you on the road, you might have to get out the way. Like, this bitch sit mean. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, that's hard. Hand built with pride.
I posted this for my family in Africa, man.
You hear?
It's gotta be.
It's hard.
How we want it.
What? Want what?
He likes Cadillacs.
My bad.
It's hard. Would you get a CTSV?
Shit.
You ain't messing with it?
If I'm getting something that's this expensive, it gotta be something else. I can't spend this much on this car. Like,
He says manual.
this bitch like 80 racks, right? It come with 10 speed. I get a Camaro over this.
Camaro?
Yeah.
Matte black look, man. Why does matte look different though? This don't look like a regular.
Like brushed steel.
Yeah, this like this crazy. Got a car in the back. 90 miles per hour on the dash. Like C vlog, my Challenger buddy pulled up. Got a, what do you say? I know it's 11 years old.
This car's 11 years old.
His,
This
yeah,
car's 11 years old.
yeah, the purple one.
That's crazy.
And only got 24,000 miles on it. It looked brand new.
I did hear him. You see him drive it during the summer.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I bet a lot of these people here don't even bring out their whip like that for a
Yeah, this like
special
their main car.
occasion. Yeah, what? They got them bitches in the garage, nice and clean.
They only got to show out, you know.
Feel me?
That's how it's supposed to be, bro. There's motion right there, bro.
Real
That's
motion. And the Ferrari down there got the Michigan.
Colors.
It had the Michigan sticker on that bitch.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, like go blue, nigga. Yeah. Favorite car from here? You said the Z06. What you say?
That's Ferrari, nigga. You tripping? Oh yeah, no, I forgot about.
Ferrari down there. All the ice on there. Oh yeah, come on.
Oh yeah, that Toyota Camry around the corner.
No, the Ferrari though. That bitch.
Nah, that's not my favorite, bro. That's just the cutest.
There's something right next to it now. It's like a white. Let's go down
cutest.
there. That shit. Yeah. What, Z01?
I had to testify you too.
Oh, phone about to die probably. CL1.
Down in the third.
Hellcat, get some eyes, man. Get some eyes, man. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
Rev it, please.
CO6 out, man. Motherfucking tough, man.
That shit's so fire.
It just sounds like you get loud as fuck. He said he did all this, y'all. This is fire, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice color right here.
It's paint, right?
He said it's the new color for it.
Oh, paint? It's paint? Original paint? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, fire.
Yeah, that's crazy. And he got the rig.
What's the color called? Cacti green. Cacti green?
Cacti green.
Okay.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's sweet.
That's hard. Then the red add the flavor to it too.
Yeah. Then I made it all cacti. Got it have it black. Yeah, I noticed that.
Oh, he got that in too. That's crazy.
So did you have a shop painted aftermarket or what did it come already painted? There's a lot.
Out of all the color cars in here, bro, this color stand out the most. I don't know why, this color just really stand out. This is fire. And he got it real nice and clean.
I think I forgot to get one.
This? Yeah. Wait, what is this again? This is,
what year is it? 24. 24.
24.
Oh my gosh, brand.
Got that 300, man. Boys in the cut. Oh, my bad, I'm moving shit. But yeah, man, we finna get up out of here. Stop at Chick-fil-A. Then we finna do some rolls. Hey, Joe, you gotta record. Make sure you get some, make sure you record on your phone, like when we on the highway and shit.
Okay, bet.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Finna head up out of here, man. Smooth little, feel me? Got a good little vlog in. Damn, that BMW color over there is hard. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, it look like that cinnamon stick on the Mopar.
That bitch tough. I ain't gonna lie.
Crazy.
But yeah, man. Finna leave from here. Where? Damn, this is crazy. This hard. 392.
Turn it down.
Yeah.
Just follow me.
All right.
Chick-fil-A. Shit, who just pulled up? That's my nigga Flame.
My car gone. I gotta leave. You feel me?
Sheesh.
Earlier, stop at Chick-fil-A.
Good looks, AJ. My broke ass had no money. He bought me this. Real nigga. Ain't gotta say anything right now, please.
I just got me a smooth little chocolate shake. Cherry in that bitch. That's crazy. I remember I get shakes from McDonald's. They used to add
Shut the fuck up and put me on this bitch.
They used to
bro.
add the cherries in
Hey.
it, but they don't do it no more.
It's finna be a crazy summer, nigga. This nigga talking about some shaking shells. This shit's scaring the fuck out of me. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this car shit is different, bro. Oh, God.
I know what I'm about to do. I'm about to fuck him up. What?
Oh man, you gotta get that get back, bro. Hey, Aaron got an amazing car. It's beautiful. It sounds amazing, bro. Sounds amazing. AJ gonna get that, man. It's slow motion. We gonna get it right, man. You gotta take your time. Feel me?
No, my shit faster than his though. I ain't gonna lie.
It is?
Yeah. His
Why
shit
the fuck you ain't beat him?
No, his shit louder. That's the only thing I want. But nah, he beat me because he know how to do this gear shit.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I'm still kind of learning.
Well, he whooping your ass right now, nigga.
He a professional. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, nigga. Come on, nigga. We gotta get on this nigga ass, bro.
Damn, you were here?
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. This nigga's great. No space, right?
I fucked up.
Damn, nigga.
What?
Oh my God. Yeah, nigga. Yeah. Stop playing, nigga. It's a Hellcat, bitch.
Nigga.
Here comes Michigan Road. This is Michigan for you. Yeah, we got cars all around us right now.
All around, man.
They behind us. Hey, AJ, they trying to get on your ass, nigga. Somebody
They
come.
trying to play, y'all.
I don't see nobody coming though. Oh, bro, right here. They ain't about it. This nigga driving slow as hell. I think they just trying to catch up to each other for real. Oh yeah, she on that. Yeah, man, you just gotta let these niggas know. Sit the fuck back. Sit the fuck back.
They trying to play. Oh yeah, we at the cribbo now.